Hey guys, glad you stopped by for a quick tour of my balcony stateroom on the Symphony of the Seas. With so many categories to choose from, it can be difficult to figure out what type of room is best for you and your family. Let's walk through my cabin, which was a category 2D, ocean view balcony, meaning Royal will only allow you to book 2 people in this cabin. It's a really nice room. It's clean. You walk in immediately to the far left. You have a door here, which is going to be the bathroom. Let's check it out. Lights are always on the outside of the bathroom. And you do not have a digital thermometer. You have the old school turn the knob. Standard beam me up, Scotty shower. It's a pretty big size though, actually. It's got the step bar in there for you ladies to help shave your legs. Plenty of storage. Yeah, lots of storage here. Down below. And your sink. We've got some hooks. Let's check inside here. It's actually a bigger bubble than some of the other ones. Yeah, hair body wash. So you've got some hooks in here to hang your wet bathing suits. Storage. I threw my bag in there already. Waiting on luggage. Shelves. They're safe. And you have 2 nice drawers down here. They're big. 2 nice big drawers. Beside the bed, you have a little table here. Now my bedroom is configured for 2 people or 1 person. Just have the king size bed to yourself. That'll be me tonight. On this side of the bed, you do have a plug. The other side of the bed, you did not have a plug, but you have a USB port. Part of your phone, actually. Wow, I have lots and lots of hangers. You got a ton of space in here. You could put your luggage in here, or you can fit your luggage under the bed. I have a very large suitcase, and you can see they slide right under the bed. I wanted to quickly show you why I bring my shoe organizer. Normally they get hung up on the bathroom door, but our door had those hooks. So I used my magnetic hooks and just hung it on the wall. For me, it's an easy way for me to see all those little items and grab them quickly without searching through drawers or using up your already limited counter space. This sofa, so this was a question that we had because my boys are here, but they're in the cabin next to me, and their friend came, and he's technically in my room, so it's me and him. He's not going to sleep in my room. He's going to sleep with them. But this room was sold as a 2-person room. So this is not a sofa bed, and it is not a trundle bed, but it's giant, like it's big. So he's going to have no problems at all. You know, he's in his early 20s. He can sleep here with no problem. Right across is your desk. So you have your desk there. We have 3 plugs, 1 European, 2 USB ports, your light switch, So not bad, pretty good. And then we have some more storage here. We got the hairdryer. Everybody always asks about the hairdryer. So you do have a regular hairdryer, sort of like the same one you get in a hotel. And you have a cooler, not a refrigerator, a cooler. So just to be clear, if you need something that needs to be refrigerated, this is not the thing. You need to request that. And then you have 4 more drawers, all good size. Inside this drawer, you're going to find your room service menus. So if you want to order coffee, continental breakfast, and you want to have it delivered to your room in the morning, maybe before everybody else gets up, that's what I do, and sit out on your balcony and enjoy the breeze of the ocean, fill this out at night before you go to bed and hang it on your door, and then they'll come and give it to you in the morning. If you order an American breakfast, same thing, but you do pay $7.95 per delivery. Doesn't matter how much you order or for how many people. It is $7.95. Here's your balcony. For those worried about safety, your door handle is here. It has to be completely up to be able to open it. And mine is very difficult for even me to open it. But if you look way up in the top corner, there's an additional lock. So if you have a small child, you can take this lock and lock it. And even if that door handle is open, you're not going to be able to slide your slider to the open position. Take a look at this. This is what you can do with your balcony if you have multiple rooms in a row. You can open up the partition between them and have one long balcony so you're able to walk back and forth between all of the rooms without using the main door in the hallway. Plus, it's another fun way to hang out with your crew. And don't forget the beautiful sunsets that you're going to capture while you're relaxing on your very own balcony. There you have it. I hope this quick tour helped you figure out if this room type is something that will work out for you on your next cruise.